In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to start up a new project in Revit. There are a number of different ways that you can open up a new project. We'll show you one right now. From the main menu of Revit, under the Projects menu, click on New. A window will pop up, and from here, you can choose the particular template which will be most appropriate for your project. In this case, we're going to close this menu out, because another way that you can open the projects directly from the template is under the same main menu. You can select which template you want directly. You have the choice between mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and systems templates. If you want to open a project using a custom template, you also have the ability to do that. You simply have to open it up in the template that most closely matches the discipline that you wish to work in. Additionally, if you click on the large R in the upper left-hand corner, and then click on New, the same menu will pop up as when you clicked New under Projects. Under this same menu, if you don't want to select a template based on the drop-down menu, you can always click on Browse, which will then let you open any saved templates that you have on your system. For today's example, we're going to select the mechanical default template. We're going to choose Project because we want to make an actual project, and then we'll click OK. As you can see, a new project opens up in our window based on the mechanical template. If you look at the project browser right now, you'll see that our various views are arranged by discipline. If you want to change how your views are arranged, right-click on Views Discipline and select Browser Organization. This will let you choose what category or categories you want your views in the project browser to be organized by. All you have to do is click on the appropriate checkmark. We're going to click on Type/Discipline and then OK. As you can see, the view options in the project browser have now been changed according to the new option we selected. Another option that you need to make sure to set when you're starting a new project requires you to go up to the Manage tab. And then, from under the Settings panel, click on Project Units. A menu will appear, and from the Discipline drop-down box, you can choose what discipline you want your project to be under. Choose your discipline and hit OK. For certain projects, especially HVAC systems, if you want to run certain analyses or simulations, like solar or heat, there's another option you need to set, and that is location. In order to set the location for your project, go up to the Project Location panel and click the Location icon. Close out of any error messages that might appear, and you'll see a window. This lets you select where geographically your project is going to be situated. Just be aware, you have to be connected to the internet in order for Revit to get the relevant data for the location you select. Another tab is Weather, which will be relevant for HVAC analysis and will be dependent upon your location. Once you're satisfied with your location, click OK. Another option to keep in mind is Project Information. Click the Project Information button under the Settings panel, and now you'll be able to enter all the professional information, such as your organization name, organization description, building name, and so on. Once you've entered everything you need, click OK. Once you have all your various settings set up the way you want, you have to save your project. In order to do that, click on the Revit icon in the upper left-hand corner. Go down to Save As, and left-click on Project. When the Save menu pops up, you can choose where you want to save your file, give it a name, and then click on Save. Because this was just an example, I'm only going to click Cancel. Now, let's review what we've discussed. We talked about how to start a new project based on your template, including various ways of starting that project. We also went over the different settings and options that you need to set when you're beginning a new project. We also discussed how to set a discipline for your project in terms of the project browser, so you can view your project in the correct ways. Additionally, we talked about how to set the location of your project, how to set the project units, and how to input general project information. Lastly, we talked about how to save your new project. Thanks for watching.